So we are after the holidays and we are all tired from cooking, baking and doing hard things, and we want something a little bit more healthy and nutritious. So Mediterranean Cuisine 2022 has been the top healthiest cuisine for the year, and it has been for 5 consecutive years. So let me just tell you what you can do, easy, simple, and things that you can have anyways in your fridge. I have spinach here that is washed, and they have those pre-washed bags that you can use. I have some herbs. I have parsley, I have oregano, fresh oregano. You can use also dried oregano. You can omit the parsley and the oregano as well. I have green onions, tortillas from the freezer. I'm gonna put together the spinach together with some herbs, the scallions, and some feta cheese. Mix it with some olive oil, sumac for tang. You can also use lemon juice, but lemon juice is gonna make more sauce in the spinach, and it might ooze when I make it into like a quesadilla type of thing. So I use this to give it that tangy flavor. Voila, you're gonna have a delicious, simple and very healthy green quesadilla. Let's get started. I will put into the spinach some salt, some pepper, some parsley, and that's optional. Again, this is very flexible. You can do whatever you feel, and you can add whatever you want. You can even add some ham or some salami into this if you wish. I will add some fresh oregano as well, some of the sumac for the tang. I like it tangy, so about a teaspoon, depends on the amount as well, and olive oil, about, as if you're mixing a salad, about 3 tablespoons or so. At this point, I will add the feta cheese. You can even do it with goat cheese if you like. Just ideas for you to be creative in your own kitchen for easy, simple, and nutritious meal. So you put as much feta as you wish as well. I like a lot of feta, and feta is one of the healthier cheeses, less fatty than yellow cheeses. All white cheeses tend to be less fatty than yellow cheeses. Now, if you want gooiness, you can also add a little bit of mozzarella for that stretch to happen. I'll show you one without and one with, and you decide what you're gonna do. Here I have the quesadilla. I will be filling with some of that spinach and cheese. The spinach tends to wilt and shrink as it cooks or heats, so don't be worried to put quite a bit of spinach in the quesadilla. Now I will just fold it like this. I am heating this pan, which I'm gonna bring to the bigger fire here. I will add some olive oil. Just tiny bit, not much. You can also brush your tortilla instead of having it on the pan. You can brush your tortilla from the outside with olive oil. And I will just put this like that. Try to press it down. While this is cooking, I will prepare the next one. For this one, I will put the spinach, and I will also add some Gouda cheese for extra stretch. Again, as I said, it's all a matter of taste, and the options are there for you to play around with. This is gonna be the next one. Make sure to press like that, and then look at the bottom. I'm gonna flip, nice and toasty. Just to show you the other side, nice and toasty again. Now I'll put this on this plate. I'll put a tiny bit more olive oil. And I'll toast the second one. While this is cooking, let me cut this one and show you how it looks from the inside. I'm gonna try it. So fresh and delicious. I like it as is. Here's the second. Nice and toasty. I'll pick it up, put it on the other plate. So here is our quesadilla with the Gouda cheese. Let's open it and see how it looks in the inside. I really like the one with the feta only, because feta, I think it has a lot of tang to it and Mediterranean strong flavors, which I really appreciate and like a lot. Here we have the softness of the Gouda inside, which makes it a little bit more gooey and more tender in a way, softer in taste. We'll try it and see. It is extremely good. It is as good as the feta, with the addition of this kind of really desirable stretch of cheese. So this is a way to create something really healthy, really easy and quick, and to have the benefit of kind of spanakopita like dish that is much easier to create and much faster to enjoy. Have a great day.